Good morning. Again, we are here for an English video session for class 10. We are doing the gap filling activity. There is a question that is before you. See it. Today, good dash varieties of tea and tea brands are available in the market. Green tea is popular dash China and the Far East. In Japan, the tea ceremony dash a traditional way of greeting guests. Dash is a social occasion. Indians dash real tea lovers. Now you have got options as A. You have got 4 options. Very many much more. B on, at, in, for. C is am, where, are, is. D is and, it, both, this. And E is where, am and are. You have to find out which is the right option and do it. Can you try this? Please do it. It's very simple, but if it is very simple also, it's difficult to find out which is right. Whenever words come like many, much, more, it's confusing. Please pay attention and do the answers. Okay. Now, shall we go into the answers part? Yes. Today, a good many variety. Today, a good many varieties of tea and tea brands are available in the market. Green tea is popular in China and the Far East. In China and is popular in China and the Far East. Okay, in Japan, the tea ceremony is a traditional, change it to C, it's a BB repeated, okay, is a traditional way of greeting people, guests, okay. D, it is a social occasion. What is it? It, it. Okay, Indians are real tea lovers. Are. Okay. Where nahi is nahi. Are. Indians here is plural, no? That's why you are putting are. You are able to get it. Any doubt is there? Today is a good many varieties. Not more varieties. Many varieties. Because it's not limited. More is like when you are comparing only you can have it, no? This is more than that. Comparison mein ho jayega. Comparative statements may that more can be used. Here it is already you have it is established that there are many varieties. So in that place, good many varieties available in the market. Look at the usage. Why you should not use more there? It's not comparing. If I am comparing with coffee, more comes. Here I am talking only about tea. Is it clear? So there is today a good many varieties. Okay, so these are all the small doubts. You have to question. Why did I give this answer? What is the need? Think over. Don't blindly go behind. Okay, what is the second answer? In. Why? Place. In China. In India. In America. In China and Far East. In Japan. Tea ceremony C. What is it? Is a traditional. The tradition, tea ceremony is a term. Okay, so is. Understand why it is used as is, why it is used as are. Please understand. Okay, agreed. When you are writing, try to question why you are writing it and then get it out. Okay, shall we go to the next one? We'll go. Please write these things in your classwork. It may be useful, very much useful. These things will never be taken again. I cannot. We don't have time at all. We need to. That's why this week and last week and this week I have devoted only for this grammar activities. Now if I start my lessons, then it will take lot of time for us to complete. Okay. Now the following words have been edited. Now, more not edited, just see little. A saint walks the street of Kolkata. It can happen only in India. It is time that us realize our strength. We are greater people. We have so much religious leaders. Now, you have to find out the incorrect word and write the correct word in the right side. You understood? For example, a saint walks. Walked. You have to write in incorrect walks. Then in correct you have to write walked. The streets of Calcutta. Can you do it? Write the passage first. Write in the side. Leave some space in the right side. Then write incorrect, correct, and you fill it out. Do not see the answer and fool yourself. Try it. If it's going to be a mistake, cancel it and write the right. Okay. Yes, I have completed. Now, let us go into the answer. A saint walks. Instead of walks, you have to write walked. Write walks and write walked. The streets of Kolkata. It can happen only at India. It can happen only in India. Understood? So, incorrect you have to write what? At. And incorrect you have to write in. It is time that us realize our. What is this us? We realize. What should you write? We realize our strength. We are greater people. We are great people. What not greater people? We are great people. Okay, we have so much religious leader. We have many, not so much. So much of trouble. Many religious leaders. Okay, can you write? Yes, please write exactly in the same format you write. See, these are all board papers. That's why I am giving you. There are many times that these board papers are repeated. Okay. Write the question, write the side may, write incorrect and correct. This is called editing part. Comes in the editing. Okay, let's see what's there in the. Yes, now see this. The following paragraph has not been edited. There is an error. Okay, now look into the paragraph. Though I think the passage is clear. Yes, yes, now we have already done. Let's go to the next. Wait, children. Okay, whenever you are doing such activities, you have to take into consideration the words. In one sentence, there is also one time when children had doubt, like too many words cannot come in one. Okay, there may be only one word which comes. Okay, you can't have more than one mistake in one sentence. Okay, so don't think that this is also wrong, that is also wrong. This is also wrong. So there may be only one mistake and you have to find out the right word. Unless and until if you are going to try with 2-3 words, it is wrong. The possibility is only one. So you have to find out There are children who write 2 words are wrong, then how do you know? It will not, the question will not be given in that fashion at all. It will only be one letter. See, gap filling with 1 or 2 words to test prepositions. This particular activity itself is to test preposition, articles, conjunction, tenses. Okay, editing, omission. The purpose of giving these works itself is to do what? Check your articles, conjunctions and tenses, ordering, all these things. The intention is this only. Okay, models, then how you are doing your the words, preposition words and the determiners. That's all. Okay, thank you children. Let us see in the next question with some more questions. Okay, thank you.